Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add error bars to a chart on Google Sheets. Adding error bars to a chart in Google Sheets helps you visually represent the variability or certainty of your data. All right, and here's how you can add error bars. First thing you need to do is to ensure you have your data organized in columns or rows, which we have here. Now, the next thing you want to do is to highlight the range of cells you want to include in your charts, which is what I'm going to do right here. So I am highlighting, I want the actual and the metric to be visible in my error bars. So once you're done, head over to insert in the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on chart. So once you click on charts, Google Sheets will create a chart based on your data. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on the chart to open the chart editor panel in the right corner, which is here. And if the chart editor doesn't appear, just go ahead and click on these three vertical lines and click on edit chart, and the edit chart panel will be visible there. So now that it's here, you need to customize the tab. In the chart editor, go ahead and click on customize tab and then head over to series to expand the series. I like it in that the series will not be displayed on the pie chart. So go ahead and choose a line chart and head over to customize and you'll see series. Now click on series, and once you click on series, scroll down and find error bars. Now you're going to have to check the box that is next to error bars and choose the type of error bars that you want. This is the type, so click on this drop down menu. For constant, it means you're specifying the constant error amount for all data points, and for percentage, it means you're specifying a it means you're specifying a percentage to calculate error bars based on each data point's value. And then for standard deviation, it means you're calculating error bars based on the standard deviation of the data point. And for custom, which is none, you can customize. You can use a custom range to specify errors amount for each data point. So let's say we want to use that for constant, and that's it. So you can also set the error bar values. So depending on the type you choose, enter the appropriate values for constant or percentage, input the desired amount or percentage, and then for standard deviation, specify the standard deviation value, and for custom, input the range that contains the custom error values. And once you are done with that, that's in the series. So you can also change the fill color, the opacity, the line color. Just go ahead and do whatever you want to do with the series in there. Okay, that's the error bars. So you can make it data labels or trend line, anyone you want. So you can add that, or you can add data labels if you want to. So to just add more values. So you can customize your error bars, modify, which I said, modify the color, the type, the position, just however you want to do that. To just ensure that you have fun. Then ensure that your error bars are correctly representing the variability or uncertainty of your data, and you can further customize the data by adjusting titles, labels, and other formatting options for clarity. Now, error bars are commonly used with line charts and scatter plots, so ensure your chart type supports error bars. Make sure that the error bars accurately reflect the variability in your data, which I've said over and over and again. So following the steps, you can effectively add and customize error bars in Google Sheets to better represent the uncertainty and variability in your data. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.